Jack Dorsey, CEO of Twitter and Square, sells his first tweet ever as an NFT for over $2.9 million. This piece of art was sold for $69 million. This artwork, the merged by digital artist pack, was sold for $91.8 million. So, what is NFT? NFT refers to non-fungible token. Fungible means something that can be exchanged or substituted. It holds the same value and is interchangeable, like the dollar in cryptocurrencies. For example, a $10 can be replaced by two $5 notes. They hold the same value, that is why they are said to be fungible. Non-fungible means assets that cannot be replaced or substituted. It has unique attributes that makes them different from something else in the same asset class. For example, a painting, a movie ticket, or a trademark. So, NFTs are non-fungible tokens. A token means a digital certificate stored on a secure distributed database called a blockchain. Token contains a unique, non-transferable identity to distinguish it from other tokens. So, NFTs are digital assets that are verified intellectual property, authenticated on a blockchain. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are cryptographic assets on a blockchain with unique identification codes that distinguish them from each other. Unlike cryptocurrencies, they cannot be traded or exchanged at equivalency. What is the need for NFT? NFTs represents ownership of unique items. But how is that useful? For example, a person creates an artwork and sold to another person. The person who bought it can make several copies and distribute it effortlessly. So it becomes difficult to prove the original ownership of the artwork if everyone possessed the identical copies. NFT solves the problem. But how? The artwork can be converted to an NFT. Now it becomes a unique token that proves the ownership. This token is then stored onto a blockchain and the artist becomes the owner. Now the owner can sell that token to someone else by creating a transaction on the blockchain. Artists can program in royalties, so they will receive a percentage of sales whenever their art is sold to a new owner. The blockchain makes sure that the transaction information can never be tampered with. NFTs are typically held on the Ethereum blockchain. How to buy NFTs? First, you'll need to get a digital wallet that allows you to store NFTs and cryptocurrencies. You'll likely need to purchase some cryptocurrency like Ether. You can buy crypto using a credit card on platforms like Coinbase. You'll then be able to move it from the exchange to your wallet of choice. Once you've got your wallet set up and funded, you can go to popular NFT marketplaces. Currently, the largest NFT marketplaces are OpenSea.io, Rarible, and Foundation. Should you buy NFTs? NFTs' value is based entirely on what someone else is willing to pay for it. Therefore, demand will drive the price, rather than other indicators. For investing in NFTs, do your research and take intelligent decisions.